Hey, good morning. This is Bill. First thing in the morning, just drinking my coffee, and I want to let you know, last night before I went to bed, I got some nice rack of ribs that I crusted with my favorite rub. Roll them up in tin foil. They sat in the refrigerator all night, and now I'm going to seal them up and get it in the oven. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start it at 375, about 20 minutes, half hour, just to get the heat going through it, and then I'm going to turn it down to 250 for 3 hours. And these ribs are going to just fall off the bone. Obviously, I'm not going to make you sit here and watch a 3-hour video while they're in the oven. I just wanted to also show you that I always get all my rubs from Wassey's Meat Market here in Melbourne. Great stuff. They have a website, they're on Facebook. But this is their sweet and smoky rib rub. This is what I love to put on my ribs. This is your classic steak rub if you use rubs for steaks. It's great when you're grilling, just to bring out some good flavor. And this is the Candlelighter rub that Wassey's makes. The important thing about this, it is great. I like it on burgers, whatever you want. But all proceeds go to fight childhood cancer. So I always keep a bottle of it around. Perfect timing. My oven's up to temperature, so I'm going to get this closed up and in the oven. Roll the top, roll the ends. Got this old sheet pan that works perfectly for it. We get it in the oven, and we'll see you back when it's done. Alright, so the ribs had the initial 20 minutes at 375. I then turned them down to 250, where they've cooked for a full 3 hours. Took it out about 10 minutes ago because they were still really hot. See, they're still nice and steamy, hot. Oh yeah. Whew, fogging my glasses. So basically, it just pulls apart. No knife. It just falls right off the bones. So, what would I do with these? I make pork sliders with the meat, so I'm going to take it off the bone. If you want, you could cut a section of this. You could wait for it to cool so it'd be a little more manageable. Cut a section, and you could put barbecue sauce on it and grill it back to temperature if you like barbecue sauce on yours. I like the rub. The meat is absolutely tender. Excellent taste from the rub we did. Once again, it's something really simple. Remember, I'm going to have a link to my pork sliders that I made with this, and everybody loves them. So remember to comment, enjoy, and please subscribe. Have a great day.